Hey guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very special one because I have a wig here beside me, but I'm not going to be showing you how I styled it. In fact, I'm actually going to be giving it away to one of you. You know, one of the most rewarding things about what I do is the amount of messages that I get from people who have said that I was one of the reasons that they started doing drag and that I have helped them become the queen that they wanted to be. And some of these messages come from all around the world, from countries I wouldn't have even imagined had a drag scene. Some of these messages come from people who have lost their hair to cancer. Some of these messages from cosplayers. Some of these messages from kids who aren't out to their parents. It really takes me at a loss for words because if I'm honest with you, I kind of started this channel as a little vanity project. It was a hobby of mine when I was in high school and I kind of had no clubs or extracurriculars, and I decided I wanted to start a YouTube channel because I was bored. But seeing what it's done for you guys has really inspired me. Even if you don't give a shit about what I do and you just watch my videos as background noise while you're doing something else, I wanted to give back to you anyway. So I have here a wig that has been sponsored to us by Powder Room D. I decided I wanted to style it and ship it out to you myself so I could do some customizing on it. I've tweezed the hairline, I've set it and teased it just as I would with my own hair. I'll put the link down below if you want to see it on the site. But this is what the hair looks like. It's this kind of pastel rainbow fantasy with dark roots. So this giveaway is going to be open to US and Canada only. All you have to do to enter is be subscribed to my channel and comment down below. And as for deadline, this giveaway is going to be open from now until the 12th of October, at which point I'll choose a winner. You only have to enter once, you only have to comment once and that's your entry. And please, if you could, leave in your comment your Instagram or something, or if you don't have Instagram, and email, just some way for me to contact you. Sometimes if I click on your profile, there's nothing there, so there's no way for me to reach out for you and let you know that you've won. And I want to be able to tell you that you've won, so please go ahead and do that if you are in, again, US and Canada and you want a chance to win. Oh my god, they also gave me a second wig, meant for me to model to show you what it looks like, but I decided I just wanted to give both of them away and choose two winners. So I'm going to be giving away this identical wig over on Instagram, and if you follow me on there, I have all of the rules in a post under there. So if you want, you can enter twice and have double your chances of winning. Anyway, I'm so excited about this. I hope it all goes smoothly because I want to do more giveaways like this in the future. But until my next video, best of luck to you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye!